Standard 4 Math, Chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks. Part 2, page number 57. The park behind Gappu's house. Do you remember the park behind Gappu's house? Yes. Here is a big picture of that park. Look at carefully and answer the questions. This is the park. Here, Gappu's house is here. Then this is the park. In this park, here 4 gates are there. Gate A, Gate B, Gate C and Gate D. This is the flower bed, seesaw, basketball court, sweet shop, green bench. Let's read the questions. Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. First we will find out where is the sweet shop. It is here. Now what we have to do? Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Sweet shop here. Which gate is nearest? Here 2 gates. Gate A and Gate B. But we can see Gate A is the nearest to sweet shop. So Gate A. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Where is Gappu's house? Gappu's house is here. So obviously which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Gate C. So write here C only or Gate C. If you enter from Gate B, the green bench will be to your which side? Left, right or front? Let's enter again. If you enter from Gate B, this is the green bench. So green bench will be to your left side. This is the right side. This is the left side. So left side. Tick at left side. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? So here let's see here first Gate D. If we enter the park from this gate, from Gate D, the flower bed will be to the right side. So we can say Suhasini entered the park from Gate D. Write here only D or Gate D. Which of these is nearest to you if you enter from C? If you enter from C, which is nearest to you? Basketball court, flower bed, green bench or seesaw? So let's see here. Gate C. So seesaw is nearest to Gate C. Seesaw will be the nearest to us from Gate C. Hence option 4 is the correct answer. This is the 4 number option. 4 number answer is the correct answer. Page number 58, Ismail's house. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from her house. This is Srijata's house and this is Ismail's house. The route map is shown here. Milk booth, bridge, park are then on that route. This is what Ismail told Srijata. What he told? Let's see. From your house, reach the milk booth. From your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. Okay, if you are walking this side, then this is the left side. So take a left turn. From the second crossing, first crossing and second crossing. When two roads join with each other, this is the crossing. So first crossing, second crossing. Take a right turn. If you are going through this is the right hand side. So take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. Now if you walk from here, if you will take right turn, then Ismail's house will not come. And after about 100 meters, you will see a big park. But if you will take the right turn, can we see the park? No, we have to take left turn. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. Did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? Yes, Ismail wrong. Yes, Ismail went wrong when he told to take right turn to Srijata here after crossing the bridge. Okay, when he told after crossing the bridge that take right turn, this is the wrong one. We should take, she should take left turn. Let's read the second question. So, where Sujata will reach if she take the route he told her? Srijata would reach opposite to Ismail's house if she take the route told by Ismail. If she take right turn, then she reach opposite to the Ismail's house. Write the directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. So we can say that from Ismail's house, first take right turn. From Ismail's house, first take right turn, go straight, take the first left turn, then cross the bridge, take the second right turn from milk booth. Go straight 100 meters, you will find the red color house of Sujata. Once again, start from Ismail's house, take first right turn, and then after crossing the bridge, take first left turn, take the second right turn, which is from milk booth. Go straight, the red color house is Srijata's house. Next page, page number 59, Ghibli and the big box. Do you remember Ghibli, the aunt in the Math Magic book 3? Well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. Like this. Okay. Ghibli moved across and turned left. Left turn. Now she could see the other face of this big box. 4th number, then left 10. What is this number? 5 number. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed up and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. This is the 4th. 4 is here. See this one like this. 4 number, 5 number and 1 number. It looks like this. So can you guess what that box like things was? The number on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Opposite means this side. So opposite of this side, this one. Opposite of this side, this one. Opposite of this side, this one. So it add up to 7. So 4. So 4 के अंदर कितने ऐड करें तो 7 होता है 3. 4 plus 3 7. So 4 की opposite side 3 ही होती है क्यूब में, डायस में. This is the 3. Here, this box, this is the cube like dice. We can make from this type of strip. You also can prepare at home this type of strip and then you may fold and you can make this type of cube like a dice. So in the dice, what is the main thing? Opposite side. Opposite side का addition always 7 होता है. What it is written here, the number on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. So it is 1. So इसके opposite side कौन सी है? नीचे वाली. This is 1. So opposite side नीचे. So 1 है. So 7. 1 के अंदर क्या ऐड करें तो 7 आए? 1 plus 6. So yes, 6. So opposite side, this addition of opposite sides are 7. So here first, which number was on the opposite side of 5? Which number was the opposite side of 5? So let's find out 5 first. 5 is here. So 5 is here. So 5 ki opposite. If I write here 5. So addition of opposite sides are 7. So 5 के अंदर क्या ऐड करें तो 7 आता है. 5 plus 2, 7. So which number was the opposite side of 5? 2. So let's see here. 5 है, so opposite side of 5, this one. 5 opposite side of 5 is 2. Yes, it is right answer. 5 opposite side of 5, 2. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? Which number will be at the bottom? So here, this is like this. Here, this cube. This is the cube. 4 is this side, opposite of 4, that is 3. And right side of 4, 5. And top, it is 1. So, in this picture, which number will be at the bottom? So, upside at top it is 1. So, opposite of this, niche, 6. And another way, we can say at top it is 1. सो ऑपोजिट साइड का एडिशन 7 होता है. सो 1 के अंदर क्या ऐड करो तो 7 आता है. येस, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. सो ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ 1, आँख बंद करके भी हम बोल सकते हैं 6. इट इज 6, 1. विच नंबर विल गिबली सी इफ शी अगेन टर्न लेफ्ट फ्रॉम 5? 5. सो इफ शी टेक लेफ्ट, so this is the 4. They asked if she again turn left from 5. So from 5 we have to see if we turn left from 5, Ghibli may see one number. So write here number 1. What will this box look like if you open it up? If we open this box, it look like this. But how? Let's see here. We know that it is written here on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Opposite side, addition of opposite side, sum of opposite side is 7. So how to check here? Let's check from here. First see middle 1. So at the top 1. Here 5. So opposite side 5 is 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. This is right. But see, let's check here. This 3. So opposite side of 3 is 6. 3 plus 6, it is 9. So this is not right. Let's check here. 6 plus 2, 8. Opposite side, not sure, not 7. This side. 4 plus 3, 7. But 6 plus 5, 11. So this will not work. But let's see here. 5 plus 2. These are the opposite side. 5 plus 2. Same. 5 plus 2. So 7. 4 plus 3. It is 7. So it is right. How to make this cube? Let me show you. This is the strip. So first we will turn this, then this one. It will be the cube. See, then you may join it with the Fevicol or Fevistick. See, our cube is ready. 2. So opposite side of 2. Opposite side of 2 is side 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. 1. So इसके opposite नीचे आ जाएगी. ऊपर 1. So नीचे 6. So yes, this one is the correct answer. So students, you can make this cube at home. Prepare the strip like this. Write the numbers on it. And then make the cube. And enjoy this activity with your friends. Thank you.